Hi, it's Archie again, here to make another delicious cocktail for you. And today we're going to make a classic martini. Now, there's going to be a tiny bit of a little spin. There's some variations that can be used in this one as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and make a martini that's the way I like to enjoy my martini, okay? So martinis are a very, very, very simple cocktail. Basically, all we're going to need is some gin, obviously, and you're going to need some white vermouth. We've actually made our own homemade white vermouth here at 117 West using white grapes we distilled, and we went ahead and basically that's kind of it. It's basically gin and vermouth, and then you can either garnish it with either a twist of lemon or you can use olives. It's kind of per, kind of each individual. Okay, so how he's going to start this one off, it's kind of easy. We're going to start with 2 ounces of gin. And what I like to do is I'm going to go ahead, while I have that gin in my mixing glass, I'm going to go ahead and add just a splash of vermouth into my glass. So this is kind of varies a little bit. I don't like to put it into my mixing glass. I like to put it into the glass. So what we're going to do, we're not going to go the James Bond route on this one. We're going to go ahead and we are going to stir this one. He likes it shaken, not stirred, if we all know those James Bond movies. But we're going to go ahead and stir it. I recently watched a video to kind of learn the technique of stirring, and I guess I've been doing it wrong all along. It's supposed to go around the outside of the glass, and basically what the idea of stirring a liquor into an ice is basically not to bruise and to get too much ice in there. It's just basically trying to chill down your spirit. So basically I was told to give it about 20 stirs around the outside, and that's a good technique. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and we are going to let that sit and kind of get cold, but all the while, then I'm going to go ahead and take my glass and I'm going to go ahead and basically line the glass with vermouth. And what I'm going to do with the excess is just kind of toss it away. So we just have our glass lined with vermouth, and then we go ahead and we're going to go ahead and strain this right over. So then you have your choice of garnishing either with a twist of lime. That's the way my dad used to like it, but me personally, I'm a man of olives. And so we can garnish that with 2 olives. And if you like a dirty martini, so what you might want to do with a dirty martini is just all you would have to do is add about 1/4 ounce of that olive juice into your mixing glass if you want to go with the dirty martini version of it, but I kind of like a clean martini. So there you have it. A delicious 117 West Martini. It is just a classic drink that really lets you enjoy the gin coming forward too, and then you have a nice treat of that olive once you're all finished. Thank you again for watching one of our excellent videos, and please remember to drink 117 West responsibly.